Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at GreenShift's color title box block in WordPress. Alright, this is a mini-series on GreenShift's blocks, and we're going to take a look at them individually. So to get started, let's open up a blank page so we can work on this block. There's a couple ways to do this. The first one is if you logged in on the back end, that is with the admin password and username, you're going to end up on the dashboard. So from here, you're going to head over to your left-hand sidebar, scroll down and hover on pages, and then click on Add New Page. Alternatively, if you're already logged in and you're on your site, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New, hover down to Page, and click on Page. That's going to take us to the WordPress block editor and open up a brand new blank page for us to work on. Once we're here on the block editor, some housekeeping before we begin. If this right-hand sidebar doesn't appear, click on this button here beside the Publish button called Settings, and this will give us a right-hand sidebar where it will give us the settings for our block. Next, let's go ahead and name this page to keep things organized, Color Title Box Test. All right, and then now we can actually add the block. So here we have this blue button here with a plus icon called the block inserter. Click on that and scroll down to, GreenShift elements. You could search it over here, but for this video, let's scroll down and take a look at it. And you can see colored title box. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace. Let's go ahead and click on X over here just to give us more space to work with. And there's a bunch of things that we can do with this, but I'll give you an example. Figure 1, puppies. Okay, and it gives us the space to add a block. We can either type some text here, or what I'll do is add an advanced image, right? And upload something from our media library. We have the stock image of puppies. All right, I'm going to align this to the middle. And this has its own video, image advanced. You can add any image you want, or any block you want, whether it be a counter, countdown, anything of the sort. You can do that. But for this video, we're going to be using it as a header for, or a container as well, header/container for this picture of these two chihuahuas. So let's go ahead and click back on this, and you'll see on the right-hand sidebar over here, it says colored title box. Now let's take a look at the main setting, general settings, and an advanced later. So for main settings, icon and title, no icon. We can make it a notice, download, error, info, or custom, and it'll open up the icon image library. We can use an image, something from our icon library, or an SVG code. We can put, let's say, what's a good one from here? Probably ice, because they like to shiver a lot. Okay, we can change the alignment of our text here. We can change the border radius. Okay, that's kind of cool. Next, with icon, it's just the same. Title colors, we can use a gradient actually, okay, or just an ordinary color. Let's make it pleasing green. Title color, we can change the text color. Content colors, let's take a look at how this looks like. All right, red, let's make it a bit lighter, make it pink. Now it looks like a watermelon. Content color, it doesn't actually do anything because the content doesn't have any color. Okay, and then for shadow, we can add a shadow to our and hover shadow to our content, and it looks a bit different, as you can see. Spacing, we can change our margin and padding, and then icon spacing, we can add custom spacing here. And I'll probably put a preset here for left side to move it in a bit. Okay. Finally, we have advanced, such as animation. All right, I'm happy with that. There's other options here that you can do, but it's up to you to customize it. CSS transformation, positions, advanced settings if you need to hide this on desktop, tablet, or mobile, and other CSS classes if you so wish to add those. So let's, I'm happy with this. Let's go ahead and click on publish and take a look at it live on our site. Okay, it's done publishing. Let's go ahead and click on view page. And you can see on our actual site that page is called color title box test. And we have our colored title box here. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.